Hello everyone, I am Zoya, the Chief Marketing Manager at codeautomation.ai. Today I am excited to introduce Flair.ai, an AI tool that makes creating beautiful products photography incredibly easy. So let's dive in. This video is all about giving a walkthrough about Flair.ai. So let's first go to Flair.ai website. You'll see a free trial offer. Simply log into your account. Once you are in, go to the projects, click create new project and upload your product photo. To remove the background, click remove, and just like that, it's gone. Now click generate. And here it is with no specific instruction. You can provide a reference image or describe what you want. For example, let's ask for a marble shelf with black roses. Here's your image. You can also choose a template. Let's go with this one and click generate. And here is the final result. You can also improve image from here and you can see it improves the color of your product. Next, I would like to highlight over here how does it support fashion photography. Create fashion project, upload a photo, and choose a pose. Now click fit cloth and then generate. You'll see how it looks. You can also change a background. Let's ask for a cafe in the background, click generate, and here's your final image. With Flair.ai, you'll have cost on hiring models and photographers while producing professional quality images effortlessly. In the nutshell, I might say that Flair.ai empowers you to create attractive product photographs with ease. It streamlines the entire process, saving you time, reducing cost, and eliminating the need for complex setups. Whether you are showcasing products or fashion items, Flair.ai is your go-to solution for stunning imagery. And that was it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.